Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 73 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we're in our last exercise of exercises on 6 notes, and we are doing exercise number 111.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So exercise 111, we have my favorite figure again. It's this lower neighboring tone that keeps going up, and it's weird because we're alternating between minor seconds and major seconds. And keep that in mind because that's going to have a different feel depending on whether that neighbor tone is a major second or a minor second. Again, take this very slow. Accuracy is key, okay? And you can breathe. Absolutely. These are not exercises yet. We have some later on where Marchesi says not to breathe. These ones you can absolutely breathe when you need to. What I do is, especially when I'm coming back down, once you get through halfway through the exercise, I like to circle the third note of each measure. Okay, so you've got this first note, the E, then to the B, then to the D. I circle the D. And the reason is because that fourth jump we're pretty used to, but then we're coming back to the third, which is a little bit tricky because we're used to doing these other variations. So what I have done is I've circled the third in all of those little grouplets of 6, okay? So the third note. And I play that third note when I sing it so I can anchor and remind myself where that third is. So you'll notice I will do that when we do this exercise run through on 111. And here it is. That was so tricky. I had to play, that was interesting because I was playing that second and third note, and what I noticed was syncing up my brain with my voice and playing the second and the third note at the right times was really challenging. And this is, again, what I love about Marchesi. This is not just training your voice, because my voice can probably do these things, right? If I think about it long enough. And it's really about training the coordination between the mental thought of the pitch to the vocal cord. And this is where musicianship meets vocal technique. And that's what I love about Marchesi, is because she really manages to meld those things into her exercise book. So it's not just about attaining the perfect tone. It's about really being able to sing like a musician.